guys, MD here. Today I'm going to show you how to smoke and sear a London broil steak, and we're using the pellet smoker and a cast iron skillet. Let me show you how we do it. Alright, so we've got the London broil here. I'm just going to coat it with some Montreal steak seasoning. That's what we like. Get both sides. Alright, now let's go put it on the smoker. Alright, we're going to smoke this on the pellet smoker today at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to put the meat thermometer in this. And we're just going to kind of monitor it until we get about 140, and then we'll take it off and sear it. Alright, that's just where we want to be, 136, and that way we end up with a nice medium steak. Cast iron is hot. I'm going to throw a half a stick of butter in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do about half of this stick right here, and then I'm going to throw the steak in. And I'll put the other this part of it to the side, and that way I can basically baste the steak with the butter. But we're just gonna sear this steak. That's all we're doing, because it's cooked to where we want it. We just want the outside nice and charred. Look at that sear mark; it's perfect. Both sides are charred really well. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's go in and let this rest for about 5-10 minutes, and we'll slice it up. Alright, this thing is sat for about 10 minutes. Tinted it up with some foil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and slice this steak up. She turned it off. I should have pulled it at 130. Alright guys, time for the best part, the taste test. Oh man. I didn't think this was going to be rare enough. It was perfect. It's just medium for our family. I know some people like it a little rare, some people like it a little bit more well done. But that's what the smoke and then the reverse sear is, because you can monitor that temperature and get it to exactly what you want. But this is perfect for us. I'm going to go ahead and give it the taste test. This is I got the end piece, so it's got that Montreal on it. Here we go. That is so good. I tell you what guys, the London broil is highly overlooked because it's usually it's a top round. You know, that's what it is. It's like a steak from the top round. But if you cook it correctly, this is a fantastic steak because it's so lean. There's such little fat content to it. You have to cook it rare, or else it's going to come out just super tough. And this is the perfect way to do it because I get that nice, rich, smoky flavor to it, and I also get that tenderness because it is cooked medium. This is perfect. You guys have got to try this. This is fantastic. Round two. Here we go. Man, that is beyond good. Outstanding. Well guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you want, hit that subscribe button as well, and you'll find more content just like this. I really appreciate y'all stopping by. As always, get your families outdoors, and I'll catch you next time. Oh yeah, we're going carnivore today. Oh God, it's so good.